Are you exploring back there, huh? Are you going to try to come down this hill? I think you're going to fall. Come see Dad. Brayden. What are you doing? Come see Daddy. Brayden, come over here. Brayden, come over here. Where'd you go? Are you going through the trees? Uh-oh. That's a doozy. Wow, good boy. I don't know if you can go up. Oh, bonk. Good thing you got your gloves on. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All done? Are you all done? You're all done. You want to go in the house? Want to go see Mama? Where's Mama? Brayden. Where's Mama? Mom. Where's Mama?